with Envoy, we have transitioned from pen and paper to a fully digital logging system.
It pulls everything up very quickly and is extremely straightforward. Now it only takes a matter of seconds or a few clicks. We see 99%
Reduction on the time it took versus what it takes. My name is Frank Kotrus. I am the Group Vice President of Technical Operations at Raxio Data Centres. Raxio Data Center invests into design, construction, and operation of carrier-neutral Tier 3 data centers across the African continent. Data centers are kind of critical environment. Who comes into a data center environment needs to be planned, registered.
we didn't have a sustainable way of operating.
As we have grown to a larger number of the live data centers, we felt the need that we had to drive some sort of a consistent approach.
So we solved that with Envoy, and it's a big difference for us.
If we have clients who use our facilities in multiple countries or multiple data centers, they actually go through the same experience of pre-registration, getting confirmation of the registration being completed, the sign-in at the site, and the notifications that are being sent automatically to the host. Those are all features that were not there before, so it's more digitally driven today. And then just because it's one platform, one consistent approach, I think scaling it from location to user is rather straightforward. It's not just available on the local level to the stakeholders who are physically residents in that data center, but also on a group level. The Envoy team is diligently looking after us. I think our cooperation and our relationship will have potential to further evolve.